And so the best way to put this whole thing is that the world is on edge, and the risk escalation and the question no one wants to ask is, should the FIFA World Cup 2026 tournament go on? Now, you will be aware that this tournament is being hosted jointly between the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico. And with the levels of threat that is out there, the global landscape has shifted in a significantly meaningful way. Not because one event automatically would trigger any kind of a world war or conflagration, but because an event of the magnitude of the FIFA World Cup increases the probability of escalation. And so, it is against this background that I want us to have this discussion